Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel R in Dublin. Today amazing weather because we're waiting for storm have name Gary. Every time when storm have a man name, it's just a nice quick storm. When it's a woman's name, it's actually very strong and destroy everything around. That's when if we have a Gary, I think would be fine and easy, just little windy. And that's it. You don't see it, I show you. We have a blue sky, black sky, rainbow, rain and snow actually everywhere around me. That's very often in Ireland, even if it's no storm. But my plan for today is quick shopping in Tesco, and I don't think we go to the beach because it's rain. I don't really want to be wet, but I need to buy some food, and slowly I will be back home. And the beach time. I was in Apple Green to eat something in the subway, but queue was so big, around 20 people in the queue, and I just skipped the food. I prefer beach walk before storm will come. I have some sun, I have a beautiful waves, I have a beach. I don't know where I am, but I'm on the way from Britas Bay to north, I think, and I found like small beach and small car park, and I'm just walking here today. Weather is really nice, little windy, but it's really nice. Now in the car it's very cozy and warm, and I don't feel storm at all. But it's a Gary, that means it will be very delicate and nice, smooth storm today for sure. How you can see, it's quite sunny and it's lots of blue sky. That's mean perfect time for the beach and for a walk.